Christopher. I broke Auntie's book because I'm silly. You're such a little brat. You just broke Auntie's book. Are you sorry? Are you sorry? He says no. It's broke. Look, it's broke. Ow. You hurt me. Christopher, are you going to the pumpkin patch today? I'm not going to the Aw, sleepy baby. Are you going to the pumpkin patch? The pumpkin patch? To do the pumpkin? I'm going to show you this when you're older. And you're going to buy me a new book. What are you doing? Dad! Dad! Hey! I love you. I love you. Now you're eating the paper. Okay. Don't give any books to Christopher because he will tear them apart and then eat the pages. That's Ucky, see? Here, give me that.